and then I started doing photograms. This happened because I had this unair-conditioned dark room, and it's really hot in Arizona, and my photographic paper was always being heat fogged, which meant it was no good for regular prints. And I didn't want to waste it, so I sort of thought that I'd put down some of these dead creatures that I've been photographing on it. And if you know, a photogram is really a contact print. There's no camera or enlarger involved. As you can see, it requires just a light source, which is why I'm using the enlarger, and light sensitive paper. Here's a jackrabbit. Here's what the image is once you expose that jackrabbit lying on the photographic paper. I'd been doing this a lot, again, to use up paper until I had hundreds of images, some as big as coyotes, javelina, a deer, some very small ones, bats and scorpions and spiders. And I sort of started thinking that they were turning into a big enough body of work that I was going to take this seriously. And I showed them to my friend, my dear late friend, Bill Whitliff of the Whitliff Collection. And I was also showing them around the place at various galleries. I was framing them in vintage frames. I'll just show you a few more of these scorpions, rabbits, snakes. Biggest thing I did was a bald eagle, which I actually got commissioned to do. And this is just some silly things here. This is before I tone them. I tone them in a sepia toner, so they go nice and rich and yellow. And my cat would always sleep on the piles of the editions, which always made them better. This is my dark room, and I was having to wash them outside because they were usually so big. He's toning them with the hose. Javelina. So I was framing them in vintage frames, which I'd go out and find, and then I was hanging them salon style on walls. So they just became this great compilation of images.